Okay, so here's the deal. This Maserati at one point tried to start it. The battery had just a little bit of juice in it. Tried to crank it over, it didn't start. That actually killed the battery. It was dead. I tried to remove the key. The key was locked into position. No matter what I did, I couldn't get the key out. So what I needed to do, I needed to jump start this vehicle so I could get it started, obviously, charge the battery up, and also be able to remove the key whenever I want to. So if you look underneath the hood on this particular model, there's nothing that you can do to jump start it. The way you're going to jump start this vehicle here, you're going to be jump starting it from the trunk. But since the battery is dead, you're not going to be able to get into the trunk unless you have a spare key. So if you don't have a spare key and your Maserati battery died, your key's locked in the ignition, you can't get it out, you can't pull it out, here's a trick. Here's what you got to do. I already removed it, but there should be a rubber grommet that goes right here that covers this hole. Remove that there. Then you're going to you could stick a small key in there. You're going to push on that there. That's going to release the key right in there. Here's what you do. You're going to stick another key in there, a small key or a tip of a pen. Turn the key back, release, then you can take it out. After you take this out here, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go over to the back of the vehicle. Look right underneath, right there. Stick the key inside. Manually unlock it. You can lift it. Lift this latch. Lift this latch. Pull it open. This is going to be your negative side. Here's your positive side. Push those two clips in and you can lift this up. And there you go. Jump start it and you'll be good to go.